Oh my gosh, I'm moister than an oyster out here. Oh, art. Oh my gosh. Look at the beauty of Austin, Texas.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Oh. Wow. I found a towel. Jessica, come back! Okay. Damn, look at all this beauty of nature. Dang. That's not the path, Jessica. That's not the path. Jessica, just go!
I was just hoping it wasn't all
Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at the beauty of nature. Look this boy up right here. Look at this nature. Oh my god.
Jessica, you might fall.
Jessica, jump! Oh my gosh, there's a pair of Nike socks.
Hey.
That's real entertaining, Jessica. You gotta be so fake.
Fine, I won't be fake. Hey, we're out here. We're having a lot of fun. I just want to get down.
This is a
story
of struggle.
I hope you fall.
What are you doing?
Hey.
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording
Wait,
now.
wait. Wait, no, don't put that in your vlog. You cannot.
I'm gonna push you in.
Wait.
Oh, this is not good on the glutes! What are you doing? Oh my gosh, he emerges a hero. Hell yeah. I'm gonna get on this tree so good. Jessica, that is racist. Wow.
Boo!
You're not a Native American.
What's this? Is it a trap?
Is this a Native American trap they used to get the Aztecs? Look at this hippie art. Alright, I'm done. Oh my god! Now,
Wait.
4 elements!
Air.
Water. Earth. Fire.
Guys, I know you're trying to judge my stick. Ow.
And then Sunday is for the Lord.
Gosh, I found civilization. I found civilization.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I'm gonna do this.
Oh, we made it! Natural. We lost a good
Sober.
soul today.
Always remember to toss your salad.
Oh my god.
Got him.
This is a very intense environment I am not comfortable in.